Hello, everybody. Welcome to this episode of my my vlog. I'm on my way back to school after Christmas break. I'm about halfway there. I'm at the Westboro Service Plaza, which if you're a fan of the program, you'll know this is the location of our very first vlog, where the infamous Matt Petrillo couldn't figure out how the fuck to fill up a gas tank. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't made a video in a pretty long time, so I thought I'd make one. Got a new camera. It's probably gonna be a pretty fucking stupid video, quite honestly. But we'll see. We'll see if we can pump out some content. Petrillo's waiting for me back at the dorm, my baby, my sweetheart. And yeah, I'll be there at about 4 o'clock. I would film the road, do a little time-lapse video, but I don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna probably insert some cinematic clips that I got on my way to Boston the other day. Because I was gonna film a vlog, but I didn't. So, roll the clip.
I'm a sailor in pain, and I lost my leg. Climbing up the top sails, I lost my leg.
Alright, well that was definitely one of the grosser truck stops that I've been to. There was a guy that might as well have been taking a fucking shower in the sink, but that's okay, you know? Everybody's gotta be clean, even if you are a disgusting child molester. I can't even see myself. Yeah, there we go. That's a little too bright. It's Saturday now. We're going back on Saturday. But I don't have classes till Tuesday. Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So that's exciting. No class. Celebrate the King. Where the fuck am I going? I don't know where I'm going. So we're just gonna sit around all weekend, I guess. I don't know. I don't think anyone's gonna be on campus until tomorrow, but I was bored at home, so I left. I don't know if you can hear me over the roaring of my engine, especially when I'm on the highway. I don't know, but we're gonna see. Comment down below if you can hear me. This car absolutely sucks on the highway. It's a fucking death trap. It doesn't go fast. This thing tops out at like 60 miles an hour. Like right now, I don't know if you can hear me right now. Over the sound of the problems that this car has. Can you hear that banging? You can probably hear a loud banging. I don't know what that is. I think there might be a squirrel raising a family in my fucking wheel well. Like right now I'm going 70 miles an hour and I feel like I'm going 250 because this thing gets the, what I like to call the death wobbles. It's a skateboarder term. I should know, I have a penny board. Last night I watched a documentary on YouTube. It was an hour and a half long. So yeah, that's how bored I am at home. It's an hour and a half long, and it was about prisoners on death row. People that did shit so bad that they're gonna kill them. And it was funny because there was like 12 people at this prison that were on death row. And if they've all been there for like fucking 20 years waiting to die. But they have this thing at the prison that if the death row prisoners are well behaved, then they can get a pet, and they give these serial killers they give them cats, and the cats will live in their jail cell with them. These people that fucking, there was a guy that broke into someone's house and slit a woman's throat and her 4-year-old daughter's throat. And then they gave him a fucking cat. I don't think that's a good idea. The guy seemed like a nice guy though, I don't know. Before, if I didn't know that he slit a 4-year-old's throat, then I would have been like, oh, this guy's just missing teeth. He must be from Maine or something, I don't know. But no, he killed someone. He killed 2 people by slitting their throats. But yeah, they gave him a cat. When my mom adopted my 2 cats, we had to go through a background check. Fucking the that that gave her cats to us had to like come to our house to scope it out to make sure that we were good people and we were gonna take care of the cat. But at fucking Indiana State Penitentiary, they give them to just giving cats to serial killers. Can you hear the noises? Can you hear the noises that my car's making right now? I was driving home from school I think I was coming home for Thanksgiving, and one of my headlights just fell off. Just fell off. Now I have one headlight. Shit happens though, you know? Also last night I watched a 10-minute video about Howie Mandel. It's about how he has severe OCD. And he's horrified of germs getting on his hands to the point where he can't shake people's hands. And he can't open a door. He's got to use his t-shirt to open doors. In the interview, he said that when his kids are sick, he'll put on a mask and he won't go near them. He'll put on a fucking mask and gloves and he won't go anywhere near them. And sometimes, if he gets too fucking upset about his kids being sick, he has a house, like a big fucking house in his backyard, and he's the only one allowed in it. So if like his family's too dirty on a particular day, he'll just leave his house. He'll leave and he'll go to his other house in his backyard, and nobody's allowed in it. Nobody but Howie Mandel is allowed in the house. Psychopath. I kind of want to meet him and just try to shake his hand to see what he does. And when he resists, I'll just keep trying to shake his hand to see if like what will happen. If maybe he'll punch me in the face. Maybe he'll have a mental breakdown. I don't really know. I guess it's a mental illness. I shouldn't be making fun of him. But then again, he's got more money than I'll ever have, so I don't really care. He can deal with his problems. He can pay for a psychologist. He takes some sort of medication to help him with his problems. And when they were filming him, when they were doing the documentary, he was on the set of Deal or No Deal, and he took one pill from the hotel. That was the one pill he needed for the day. And he accidentally dropped it on the floor, and he didn't pick it up and take it. That was just it. He just decided to go the day without it. Isn't that ironic? That the pill he needs to help him with his OCD fell on the ground and got too dirty, so he couldn't take it. If that's not irony, I don't know what is. It is snowing. I'm in a blizzard right now. Quick side trip. See, I have my own problems. I have ADD. I'm in a blizzard right now. My car's making noises. What can you do? We all got problems. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a pretty bad storm out right now. There must be an accident up ahead of me because nobody's moving. Cops are here. Tell them to arrest the snow. Cops are here to arrest the snow. Not a funny joke. I'll show you what we're looking at here. Yep. Let's see what people gotta say on the old Waze. Oh shit, it is back the fuck up. 0.5 miles away, major crash is what Waze is telling me. Major crash. 0 feet away, heavy traffic. No shit, eh? Thanks for that submission, John. And 4 miles away, a minor crash. It's just not looking good for anybody right now. Oh fuck. Let me get my camera. This guy's car is fucked. What an idiot. Reduced speed, slippery conditions. That guy clearly didn't get the memo. Looks like we're coming up on some more traffic too. This looks like accident number 2. Looks like some people, oh, that's bad, dude. Fucking people just driving off the road left and right. Looks like we're speeding up a bit. Hopefully the next time I talk to yous, be at school. We got another accident over here. Looks like the worst one we've seen so far. Looks like 2 cars. They broke through a guardrail, it looks like. Not good. Just over there hanging out. Oh, that one's pretty bad too. This is disgusting. You know? People just trying to get to their destinations and the snow's just like, nah, that's not gonna happen. Sorry. Alright, I gotta go. Alright, I've made it back to school. It's legitimately horrifying how bad the roads are. Like, even in this fucking rhinoceros of a Jeep, I mean, I was slipping all over the place. Pretty scary. But I survived, and that's all that matters. So, back at school. Petrillo's back at school.
Yes, sir.
We made it back safely. I got my beer pong champion hat on, and we just parked the car at the parking garage, and we're gonna head back to our dorm. It's rolling. Petrillo wanted to redo his shot, so.
Hi, vlog.
That's Shane.
It's a vlog.
All right, so we're back at the dorm. The shuttle took a very long time to get here. It's very cold. Petrillo said he was gonna make us some gluten-free pasta, but there's no fucking butter. He threw the butter away because apparently it was expired. But yeah, we're the only fucking ones here. Unless someone's in here and just is not being responsive. I don't think so. So it looks like it's just me and Petrillo. Well, you know, if anything crazy happens, probably something pretty crazy is gonna happen pretty soon. I'm not really sure. Do I want pasta?
Do we still want the pasta with no butter?
I don't know. Comment down below if we should still make the pasta without the butter. I'm already pretty bored. How about you?
I'm very bored.
Comment down below.
What we should do.
Comment down below what we should do. If this video gets 10,000 likes, we'll go to Toads. Derek's home, and he's building a chair. Oh, by the way,
There's screws that go right
you
here.
couldn't
but I don't
tell.
know for what?
It's the next day.
Oh, you're lucky.
It's Sunday now. Oh, it's that kid at Petrillo.
Kid.
The kid that always drops his phone in class.
Oh, I'm
He's going to the rat. What an idiot. It's closed, buddy. It's fucking closed. I just smashed the camera. Fucking. Watch, he's gonna come back out. He's gonna come back out. Oh, sorry, buddy. The rat's closed today. The kid always drops his phone.
That doesn't pick it up.
Yo, if you watch my vlogs, you're a good kid. But stop dropping your phone. Alright, I think that's it. I don't have anything else to film. And, yep, that's the end of the vlog. Everyone, say goodbye. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Petrillo, you can say the last word of the vlog.
He has a small wiener.
Alright.